3, 2, 1.
How long is the average mutt puppy? The answer is C, 13-16 inches. What was the last movie in which James Stewart starred with John Wayne? The answer is A, The Shootist. Who holds the record for most piercings on a single person? The answer is A, Elaine Davidson. A decalcification is a process that occurs in which mountain range due to rainwater leaching calcium carbonate from rocks. The answer is A, Andes. Who is known as the Black Jewel in tennis? The answer is A, Serena Williams. What was the animal featured in the insignia of the Apollo 11 mission, the first mission to land a human being on the moon? The answer is C, an eagle. 3 of these species shed their skin. Which one does not? The answer is B, penguins. What is the gestation period of a rhino? The answer is C, 16 months. 3 of the following U.S. states have a motto consisting of one single word in English. Which one does not belong to the group? The answer is D, West Virginia. The organ systems of the body work together to carry out life processes and maintain what? The answer is C, homeostasis. Pacemaker cells stimulate the spontaneous contraction of cardiac muscle as a functional unit, called a what? The answer is D, syncytium. What number multiplied by 10 equals the square of the same number times 5? The answer is C, 2. Inside cells, special molecules carry messages from the membrane to the nucleus. Which body system uses a similar process? The answer is A, endocrine system. In amniotes that lay eggs, the shell of the egg provides protection for the developing embryo while being permeable enough to allow for the exchange of carbon dioxide and this. The answer is C, oxygen. Who is the owner of the Blue Aston Martin DB6 in which Prince William and his bride Kate Middleton departed their wedding reception? The answer is C, Prince Charles. What year did the blockbuster movie Meet the Parents hit the movie theaters? The answer is B, 2000. Have it your way was the advertising slogan of which company? The answer is A, Burger King. Methanogens in their gut enable what process in cows? The answer is B, digestion. What is a cannoli filled with? The answer is A, cheese. What object is tossed into the air in the Olympic event hammer throw? The answer is A, an iron ball attached to a wire. What type of hydrocarbons contain at least one double or triple bond between carbon atoms? The answer is A, unsaturated. What chemical has the formula Fe2O3? The answer is B, iron oxide. Algae are like plants mainly because they contain what? The answer is C, chloroplasts. What type of cells are gametes? The answer is D, reproductive. Who directed Steamboat Willie, the first fully synchronized sound cartoon with Mickey Mouse, which was released on November 18 in 1928? The answer is C, Walt Disney and Iwerks. What is the currency of Russia? The answer is A, ruble. Which tool would best help a person observe the parts of a plant cell? The answer is D, microscope. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen in its stable state? The answer is B, O2. Which of these dishes is most associated with Brazil? The answer is C, feijoada. What type of hat is typically worn during a royal ceremony in the UK? The answer is B, top hat. What do neurons pass to the next neuron? The answer is B, neurotransmitters. What two-word term refers to the number of different species in the community? The answer is B, species richness. Who discovered electricity? The answer is B, Thomas Edison. Which later poet was heavily influenced by Lord Byron and wrote The Lord of Burleigh in 1842? The answer is B, Tennyson. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes, and yet never grows? The answer is C, a flagpole. What is the term for the process in which glucose is made using light energy? The answer is B, photosynthesis. The roots of a plant take in nutrients and what vital substance? The answer is A, water. What character did Humphrey Bogart portray in the 1951 movie, The African Queen? The answer is C, Charlie Elnott. Where does the kookaburra, a common Australian bird, get its name from? The answer is B, the Aboriginal name for it. What is the state of matter that contains individual atoms or small groups of atoms dispersed in a gas? The answer is D, aerosol. A leafy green vegetable often used in salads. What is it? The answer is D, kale. Which angle measures more than a right angle 90 degrees? The answer is C, 135. Plants that are different from each another may have similar structures. Which structure do all plants have in common? The answer is C, roots. Which capital is known as the Land of Smiles? The answer is A, Thailand. In which city was the first Olympic Games held? The answer is C, Sparta. Where do living things obtain the energy to carry out all life processes? The answer is C, food. What is the world's oldest surviving automobile? The answer is D, Mercedes Simplex. Which scientist is known for his law of gravity? The answer is B, Newton. When some subatomic particles split from each other, energy is released. What kind of energy is this? The answer is D, nuclear. What does GPS stand for?